Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your slide out for your Winnebago Spirit 31G. On this Winnebago, your slide out controls are located just inside the coach door on your left near the ceiling. In order to move the slide out, you must take care of these 4 steps first. You must have your keys in the ignition turned to the on or running position, your parking brake on, a 30 amp power source with your coach battery on as well. Now that those 4 steps are accomplished, you're able to move your slide out in and out by simply pushing the control panel in or out. While you're moving your slide out, you do want to make sure that there's no excess weight on the slide out, so make sure everyone is off of it and all their luggage. Thank you for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.